Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's watch my hair.
Why do we keep doing that? Like it's going this way. Like no, I'm fucking trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like whoop. Like no, go do what the fuck? This shit pissing me off. It's doing it like my mama.
So, into engisebenzisayo i5 oil. So, firstly ngiyayifaka esitsheni and then kumele ngiyihithe kuze ihlangane kahle because o-oil aba-5 abahlukene la. I usually put it at 1 minute or 30 seconds. Lana ke ngibe nehaba 1 minute ujwayele ukuthi ungahambi kahle because ivele ishise kakhulu. So the best time to time it is 30 seconds. So la ngihlukanisa ilo inwele sengithi ikhanda. So ngivula indlela and then ngibopha amagoda awu4 ngenzela ukuthi ngizokwazi ukugcoba i5 oil ingene kahle yabo kubo bonke olayini ihambe kulonke ikhanda yabo naphansi ingene kahle because lento iyasiza to maintain i-scalp right season asenkwethini. So ngenza sure ukuthi nje i5 oil ingena kahle phakathi. So lana bese ngigcobe igoda lokuqala. So kumele ngigcobe nga1 yabo ngibopha ngenze sure ukuthi nje ingena kahle njengoba bese ngishilo. Lesibili aphinde ngenza sure ukuthi lokuqala right and then ngibophe futhi amagoda ukuze phela ingangiconseli mina ngoba uma uyigcoba kumele igcobisise kuchiche nje ichiche mawufaka isandla uyizwe ikhanda lakho and then ngagcoba at the back process kanjalo ngigcobe emumva and then uyabona ke la ukuthi iba kanjani if uyibuka kube ngathi inwele zimanzi like zimanzi soyibona lo oil lo. These 5 oils then ngabopha amagoda futhi kahle ngenzela ukuthi mase sengilo ngithela lesikhathi sidingakalayo and then fak plastic shower curve noma yinje ozoyibona suitable for wena. Then ngiyalinda some time. You can take up to 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours, and then get keep la after 5 hours. Sengizogeza ikhanda ke manje. So I use sunlight bar liquid. Ngisho njalo ucabanga. No, it's not liquid, sunlight bar. And then ngizosebenzisa nama products akanithi child. Shampoo yakhona ne conditioner yakhona. So after using ibhang ngizofaka lama shampoo ukuthi phela abo libe right ikhanda libe right. So okay qale ngikhipheke ke amafutha ngayibhale yami. Make sure ukuthi guys uyigcoba lonke ikhanda because amafutha lawo and ayasalelela. Le 5 oil ke mongathanda ukuthi uyigcobise ungayigcobisa after ukuwasha ngayo. It's also help. But I prefer using okunye. I will show you guys ukuthi ngisebenzisa ntoni uma sesengi ligcoba. So la bengisawasha shintsha amanzi ngafaka ishampoo, thela shampoo kanye ne conditioner. Okunye engikhohliwe I think uyabona lapha ukuthi khona i-sunlight liquid. After ngiwashe nge-sunlight bar ngithe ukuthela kancane sunlight liquid ngathi ukungimassage ikhanda ngayo ngiyifake iyasiza futhi nayo enkwethini. Mina ngininkwethu-ke guys yabo nje mangilukile bekuke nje kuvele inwele ezimhlophe kolayini khombisa ukuthi inkwethu leyo. So iyangisiza manje nje akusenzeki lokho. So ngeke ngithi ukuchathaza nayo ke i-liquid and then la bese sengiyakaza i-shampoo kanye ne conditioner ngenza sure ukuthi ngiyarinsa and then I dried my hair.
If I die tonight, I'ma make it look pretty. Yeah.
After drying my hair, I apply castor oil from Negative Child 2 and then bese ngibopha amagoda kanje. Suke sathi ukubanda ke ukuba manzi ke ikhanda ngaleso sikhathi. So ngigcoba at the same time i castor oil ngenzela ukuthi yabo mase selomile lingabe liqine inwele zingakameki. So guys, yes. Thank you for watching. Please do follow me on my socials.